Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TVIX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a couple of weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days, both Monday and then today, Tuesday, broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Overall, kind of a neutral day, but I guess update's not really the right word. Confirmation would be more of an accurate term. Confirmation, this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched yesterday's video. But for those of you that did, I talked about $18 being a level of resistance, and you can see the power of charts. On basically 3 separate occasions, the price tried to get back above 18 and couldn't quite do it. So don't get me wrong, I'm not saying the price can never get back above 18. I'm just saying that, you know, it's not exactly shocking to see that level currently acting as resistance, and that if there is going to be any sort of attempted and bigger bounce to the upside, $18 in the very near term remains, you know, that key level of resistance that the price is going to have to fight through. If the price can get up through that level, and the next level that you would want to keep an eye on is going to be that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average. Keyword being moving, so as time goes on, that line will move itself further and further downwards and get more relevant. But I don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves because right now the price still just needs to first get above 18. But again, if the price can get above 18, the next key level would be that 50-period moving average there. Now, as far as areas of support are concerned, talked about this level down here at 1625 and then 1525 as more so the broader levels. But the level that I'm curious about now, and I'm going to zoom back in just so you can see the broader picture, is more so the near term, and that the bulls have started to construct themselves a nice little uptrend line here. Now, don't get me wrong, just because there's a little uptrend does not mean this thing's guaranteed to break 18 or anything like that. The point being that in the very short term of things, the price is starting to slowly drift its way back upwards, so which is a step in the right direction. But again, if the price does break through that trend line, after that, the next levels of support are down there at 1625 and then 1525. So definitely an interesting setup going forward, but a whole lot of eyeballs going to be on that $18 mark, wondering if it can be broken. So let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.